I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Maluwag na yung kita guys. Ito yun, okay. Ayan. Maluwag na itong ano. Bago pati rin maluwag na. 27.5 lang ang pambo. Siguro lagyan natin ito ng 27. 27 ang ano, 27.5. Masyado maluwag yung 27.5. So lagyan na natin ng pambo. Lagyan natin ng bilis. So lagyan mo natin ng pambo. Guys, may nakuha na tayong 27 na ano. Sige na namin, subukan natin ito. Ito nga sa guys, maganda ito. So ito, mas yung okay na. Hindi na pala ito makina guys. Hindi balance ito guys. Kaya ginawa nito guys. Hindi balance yun. Nakita mo ito guys. Pag hindi balance yan. Ayan o. Mababa siya. Mababa siya. Ayan o. Mababa. Dapat yung ang pambit na kaganon yan. Ganyan yan. Ang balance yung dito sa kulay. Dapat ganyan. Walang leaking. Kaya pantay ang leaking ganyan. So itaas natin itong pulley ng washing aning motor. Itaas natin ito. Okay. Ano naman i-adjust guys. Lugan lang natin itong ano niya, yung bolt. Tapos iangat ng konti. Ayan. Iangat lang natin. Maluwag na yung bolt na yan. So angat natin ng konti. Ayan. Mapapansin nyo guys. Mapapansin nyo yan. Dapat yan. Ayan. Balance na siya. Ayan. Ano talaga? So, kailangan natin itong baklasin. Ayan o. Pansin nyo guys. Parang maluwag talaga guys. Ayan o. Tugod tayo na lagi. Tandaan natin ito pag maluwag ito. Umaangat yung kabila. Ito yung mga bolt nito. Dito sa loob. Umaangat. Ano? Maluwag na. Kailangan na dito. Hitan guys. Kasi maluwag guys eh. At takbo yung wasing. Hindi ano. Hindi lalakas yung gas. Maluwag yung ano. So come on guys. Natin guys tingnan nyo yung ito guys, napakalakas mo yan baby. Pero malakas naman dito. Adjustan pa rin natin yung makina. Kita na natin yung bolt. Matagal siya mag-reverse. Oh, malakas na yan. Malakas na yan guys. Tagal mag-reverse eh. Pupalitan na rin natin ng timer ito. Yan o, tagal siya mag-reverse. Pero malakas na siya. Okay lang, lakas na yan. So baklasin pa rin natin ito. Yung kung ibalik sa may-ari na may diferensya ito. Yung pulido yung trabaho natin. Matagal siya mag-reverse. Palitan na natin. Parang reverse. Ganun ang ikot nun. Ganun pa rin. Walang reverse ito guys. Ganun pa rin. Ganun ang ikot kanina. Ayun o. Ganun pa rin. Ito ang sira niya guys. Timer pa lang sira nito. Ganun ang ikot kanina, di ba? So, ikot pa rin. Ganun pa rin ikot yan. Ayan natin. Ayun o. Ganun pala wala siya reverse. Kaya matagal siya amigo kasi walang reverse guys. Sira ito. Kaya tumutunog ito. Pero ganun pa rin ang ikot niya. Ayun, matagal siya, di ba? Ayun o. Ganun ang ikot niya. Pag ito niyan. Pag ito niya, matagal yan. Matagal. Ayun o. Dapat naka-reverse na yan. Pero hindi pa nag-reverse. So, ganun pa rin ang ikot niya, no? Tingnan mo. Ayan. Walang reverse pala ito. So, palitan natin ito ng timer kasi okay naman yung makina. So, timer lang ang sira nito. At saka, baklasin pa natin yung sa makina. Pihitan natin yan. Kasi maluwag na siya. Yung bolt. Maluwag yung bolt. Ano yung makina? Naaalog. Masira pa. Baka rito mamaya, yung ano, okay na talaga. Ng ano. Okay. Gusto mo na guys. Ito na guys. Sana natin ito guys. Okay, para makita natin ito. Kita ba guys? Kita lang. Zoom natin yung camera. Nilikot na ito. Mayari ko rin. Original ko naman yan itong timer. Kaya ano mag-review. Dapat dito mga balikan natin ito na tayo guys. Kasi again muna ako lang. So ito na yung electric natin guys. Diba? Ito na. Balik natin dito sa ano lang naman yung highway. Patay na natin natin. Kasi pareho lang ang kulay dito naman. Sorry na natin. Claro guys. Claro. Ayun na guys. Ayun na. Okay ba ang kanyang ano? na itong ano niya. Yung mga ganyan lang ikot. So, baliktad na niya. Saka hindi naman mapigilan yan guys. Ganyan lang ikot. Baliktad naman yan. Ganyan to kayo. Ganyan guys. Labas na. Labas na niya. Okay, balik na natin. Tuloy natin ito. Patin siya sa pwesto. Okay, plus. Buksan ko lang pala ito guys yung ano, yung sa ilalim ng ito. guys. Ganyan lang guys. Ganyan lang. Hindi na kasimple. Pero amazing. Okay. Tapos na guys. Ayos. Takipan na natin yan. Linisan ko lang muna guys. Hindi ko na ipakita. Ayos na. Okay. Maraming salamat na pala sa inyo guys.